Next up, eyes and ears for Black Mous. For this, we need to take the discrete radio transmitter from the Beach Club dead drop, then plant the radio transmitter under the central security desk at the top of the Tsuki castle. That one's a bit annoying, and finally extract in the same deployment. Okay, so for the first part of this mission, we need to head to the garage dead drop in the bottom left of Ashika Island, E6. This is how we'll start the mission. Then we'll grab the radio transmitter. Okay, so approaching the dead drop around the gas station here, we'll open it and pick up our item. Now we need to head to the Tsuki castle and head all the way to the top of this. So you will need to get into Tsuki castle either by using a key or by destroying the wheels and roaming around outside to get access. Here comes a grenade, dweeb. Yeet, more ammo. Yeet, yeet, and it's destroyed. I can hack it. Beep, 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 boop, 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 boop. And we're in. So when we get to the top of the Tsuki castle, you'll need to find the computer in the southwest corner here. Simply hit F to place the item, and that should be the second part of the mission done. So that's really it for eyes and ears for Black Mous. So thank you all for watching, my sweet troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.